Squirrel. He doesn't move when I get too close. He's trying to camouflage. Dang, squirrel. Look at all this nature. Look at all that. Like, wow. September 3rd. Much. This is, I don't even know. Katy did. It's pretty big. You can't see it because it's too bright. It's so sunny. So I'm in the backyard. There's a little tree there, dead tree, all of this. This is just like, I guess, wait, you can't fucking see. This is just nature, and then that's where it is. Oh, it's at the top. Oh, no, don't go. Oh. There it is. I'm not even over there, but you can see it. This is just where I go sometimes. This is my garage. Here's the butt. The butt. Or battery. Dang, it's so hot out. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at that. Look. It's like hitting itself. I can see its jaw moving. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool nature, like the temperature and all. Maple. It's so nice out, man. House. We got a bunch of bushes back here. See? But you can't see. Ugh. See, look at all this. So, I mean, I don't know what to talk about, so I'm gonna go back when the Katy did, and then I don't want to show my face because I don't know. I got a zit, you know. Like he's probably gonna go down. So that's all. And look at those beautiful flowers. So that's all, and thank you for watching this kind of I don't know, just random video. And today family's coming over for my party and just enjoying outside, so thanks for watching.